Hi, welcome back to my channel. So, right now, I think these potatoes are ready, and since I can't find any good YouTube videos that will tell me when the potatoes are ready, I'm going to move it. These are pretty much dyed back. This is zooming in on them. This one here. These are pretty much dyed back except for maybe 2 of them. So we're going to try and take those today. We'll try those next week. Alright. Okay, first I'm going to take the wood chips off the top that I was using to insulate them. I know the sun's supposed to be in front of me for the best look. Okay. Alright, honey. Let me start doing this. Chicago farmers. Ha 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 ha. My little farm dog to help me. Nick? Hello, Nick. Oh, my husband was supposed to be here to give me a hand. He was here a few minutes ago. I know I lost him. Well, he probably knew it would take me a few minutes. I'm going to pour the dirt back in the bag. So, I don't want the wood chips. Remember, you want to look really close at what's on top. So you don't want those green potatoes. Those are poison. Where he did go? Where did that man of mine go? Oh, it looks like spider eggs. Nice. Spider eggs. Ugh. I'm sure there's a lot of little beasties living in here, but I don't think said beasties eat potatoes. So that's one good thing. Where did he go? Hello? I need you.
What?
I need you. Yeah, I'm done. I am the done. Yeah, there are lots of little critters living in here. If I was like my daughter, I'd be screaming, ah! So I'm just gonna peel this back, cut these. They're easy to cut because they're almost dead. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm sure you can. See, all of these little shoots should be connected to potatoes. Bella-chan. Bella-chan. Just break this off. It's on that other planet for now. Alright, hopefully we have potatoes. Hopefully. Bella, move. So I need you to pull that forward. Oh, okay. You sure?
Yeah, because I want the fence to lean on.
Oh, okay. I'll move.
You okay? Stay right there.
Okay, hold on.
You want to do it that way?
Yeah. Let's see if there's potatoes on top. Or not. You see little beasties in there. Ugh.
Roly-poly bugs on the bottom.
Yeah, roly-poly bugs all over.
Okay.
Alright, so there's nothing on the top. Okay, can you help me just dump it now? Oops. Roly-poly bugs everywhere. Oh, okay. Oh. Look at that. We got little baby potatoes. Oh, look. Oh, this one was still growing from the root. You have more than just 4 potatoes, right? Oh, well, that was a potato that was totally smushed. Just like the last batch. I'm thinking if they get too wet, because you're supposed to keep it wet. You know, like a lot of wet. These are all new potatoes. Centipede, go away. See, this potato was big and it just smushed. I don't know if you can see that. Huh. Oh, big centipede, big squiggly. Death to the squigglies. No, one big potato. Squiggly, please go away. Please, please, please. You're freaking me out. You're freaking me out. There, you're dead. No. Squigglies, if you cut them in half, they still move. Poisonous stuff. They bite. Huh?
Only half as fast. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. Look, more little teeny tiny potatoes. Is this great big potato? I didn't pick them fast enough. See how they attach to the stalk? They just grow out of there. Oh, there's another potato wasted.
Maybe you just need less of them in that size of a bag. Maybe you need more room to grow.
Well, I only used 3.
Try one.
They tell you to try 5. They tell you to do 5 or 6. I did 3. Really? Really? No, no, sorry. Sorry, centipede. Sorry. And all you other baby squigglies. Sorry, not sorry. You guys bite. You guys bite. And you're toxic. You toxic squigglies. Ugh. Well, I think growing potatoes takes a lot more skill than what I have, perhaps, you know? Oh, here's one. Here's one. The amount of water used, if I was paying for my water, if we didn't have well water, definitely would not have been worth this small, tiny yield. No. No, 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 no. Oh, this is less than the other bag. These are supposed to be Idaho potatoes. But look, I only got that many. Out of 3 great big seed potatoes. Huh. Well, I put enough bone meal. Oh, this baby squiggly gotta die. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I hate the squigglies. I hate them, I hate them, I hate them. Okay, so maybe we just totally leave them. Because even deep down inside here, the soil is still moist. It's not... Look at this tiny little potato. Tiny, tiny little potato. Huh. Oh, there's so many potatoes that just disintegrated. That's the light brown stuff. Just disintegrated in there. Alright, well, is it supposed to rain today, hon?
I'll have to double check, but I think there's a chance of rain is what it said.
Okay, well, I'm going to leave the soil to dry out. Right here. We won't be able to use it again next year for potatoes. Ugh, squiggly! Squiggly, go away. Where did you go? Go that way. Watch it land it on me. I'll be screaming. Okay. Alright, well. I thought it would be a better haul. I really did. Another one. Jeez. Well, the thing is, I guess the good thing is, they're here, they're eating whatever, and they're not in my potatoes. They're not eating the potatoes. They don't bother the potatoes. So that's good.
No rain for the next 10 days.
Oh, good. Okay. Alright, well, that's it, folks. Oh, here's a baby potato right here. That one's literally the size of my thumbnail. Okay. So, this is it. That's my harvest. So sad. So sad. A lot of the big ones just deteriorated. I'm sure they probably turned into fertilizer, you know? We've got the other guys. See, look at this great big skin. These great big skins just, huh. Oh my gosh, these centipedes, go away. Go away, go away. Okay, you. I'm gonna chuck you. There. Get. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. I wish it was a better harvest, but first time farmer, everybody's got to learn somehow, right? Alrighty. I'm gonna be doing every single one that we have. So, thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.